Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD. And today's Thursday, October 21st, 2021. It is 2:22 and 27 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, synapses. So let's hop to it here. How an enriched environment fires up our synapses. Post-genomic research reveals. Role of peptides and lipids in the context of signal transduction. Date October 20th, 2021. Source, University of Vienna. Processing of sensory impressions and information depends very much on how the synapses in our brains work. A team has now shown how lipid and protein regulation impact brain processing of a beautiful and stimulating environment. The lipids located in the membranes of the synapses are central to the signal transmission, the researchers report, and stimulating sensory perceptions are ultimately formed via the activity or regulation of synapses. Important example, those connecting units between our neurons that transfer information from one nerve cell to another. And to clarify the underlying molecular principles, the researchers offer the rodents, their model organisms, an enriched environment based on plenty of room to move, a running wheel, and other toys. With the help of post-genomic analysis, strategies, multionics, and using state-of-the-art mass spectrometry and microscopy, as well as bioinformatics for data analysis, they investigated the regulation of synapses in the hippocampus of rodents, more precisely the interaction of proteins and especially lipids fats located in the synaptic membranes. 80% of the brain cells are only supporting cells. We have therefore focused on the synapses as central sites of signal transmission and isolated them. The team gathered quantitative and qualitative information about the network of molecules regulated at synapses and examined their lipid metabolism, also under the influence of an enriched environment. The analysis revealed that 178 proteins and 20 lipids were significantly regulated depending on whether the rodents had spent time in an enriched environment or uncomfortable one. The regulations were characterized by specific lipids as well as proteins of the organism's endocannabinoid metabolism, which was particularly strongly influenced by the sensory impressions of an enriched environment. If the information arrives at the synapse as a signal processing is enhanced, which ultimately leads to improved learning and development. In this context, the complex networks of lipids and proteins had a decisive effect on the functioning of the synapses. Thus, the current study provides a molecular explanation for why an enhancing stimulating environment can have a positive effect on neuronoplasticity and brain development. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.